With the frequent changes in weather conditions today, the quality and efficiency of air conditioners used in homes and workplaces are becoming increasingly important. People are in search of better climate control systems to live in a more comfortable environment and reduce energy costs. In this regard, inverter air conditioner models stand out. Inverter air conditioners distinguish themselves from other models by their ability to use energy more efficiently. Let's take a look at the best inverter air conditioner models together. Inverter air conditioners are recommended for those who want to have an energy-saving cooling solution. For those asking what is an inverter air conditioner, or what does an inverter air conditioner do, let's provide an immediate answer. Inverter air conditioners, which can adjust compressor speed, can achieve significant savings in current and power consumption. They do not compromise on performance during low power consumption and can continue to operate at full efficiency. Inverter air conditioners come with many successful models that can automatically clean themselves, support Wi-Fi, are environmentally friendly, can defrost easily, operate silently, and have a sleep mode. If you're ready, let's examine these products. 7. Emira 7000 BTU HA+++ wall-mounted A32 inverter split air conditioner. An excellent choice in terms of energy efficiency and comfort. It effectively provides ideal climate control for small to medium-sized rooms. It's a great solution for those who want to save energy at home or in the workplace. By using the environmentally friendly A32 refrigerant gas, it contributes to environmental preservation. It reduces both energy consumption and energy costs, protecting your wallet. Its wall-mounted design offers both an elegant appearance and efficient space utilization. The inverter technology allows you to achieve your desired temperature quickly and steadily. Moreover, it operates quietly without disturbing you. Emira 7000 BTU HA+++ wall-mounted A32 inverter split air conditioner improves air quality through its smart sensors, providing you with a healthy environment. 6. Delux 12000 BTU H wall-mounted A32 inverter split air conditioner. With a capacity of 12,000 BTU H, it effectively cools medium-sized rooms. This air conditioner, working with A32 refrigerant gas, offers an environmentally friendly option and saves energy costs with lower energy consumption. Its wall-mounted structure creates an aesthetic appearance, and the indoor unit operates quietly. Thanks to inverter technology, it quickly reaches the desired temperature, minimizing temperature fluctuations. Additionally, this user-friendly air conditioner model can be controlled via remote control and offers various modes to match personal preferences. 5. Fltx M35na 12,000 BTU A32 wall-mounted inverter air conditioner. A high-performance inverter air conditioner model offering energy efficiency. Effectively climate controls medium and large-sized rooms with a capacity of 12,000 BTU. Its A++ energy class provides users with energy cost savings through low energy consumption. This air conditioner model, operating with A32 refrigerant gas, stands out as an environmentally friendly option, causing less harm to the environment with lower greenhouse gas emissions. With a wall-mounted structure, it provides an aesthetic appearance while minimizing space occupation. Thanks to the inverter technology, it operates quickly and steadily at the desired temperature, with the indoor unit running quietly, providing users with a comfortable environment. The Fltx M35na 12,000 BTU A32 wall-mounted inverter air conditioner presents itself as an ideal option with user-friendly features and efficient performance. 4. GE Appliances NJGB 35A++ 12,000 BTU IH wall-mounted inverter air conditioner. Standing out with its stylish design, equipped with intelligent features that outshine its competitors and bring smiles to its users' faces. With the quiet option, it activates the tilted fan blades, ensuring an extremely quiet operation without compromising efficiency, providing a peaceful and comfortable environment. Thanks to the smart airflow feature, the direction of the air can easily be adjusted based on the position of the person in front of it, preventing direct blasts of air. This way, the occurrence of air conditioner drafts is prevented. The evaporative feature allows the device to successfully clean itself, prohibiting harmful components like dust and viruses from accumulating inside. 3. Mitsubishi Heavy SRK45ZSP-WS Silver Series A Energy Class 15,000 BTU HA Inverter Air Conditioner. Mitsubishi Heavy SRK45ZSP-WS Silver Series A Energy Class 15,000 BTU HA Inverter Air Conditioner is a must-try for those who always opt for quality products. It ranks among the top inverter air conditioner models in terms of quality. Made from robust materials, this model can provide both heating and cooling, making it suitable for both winter and summer use. The air conditioner can automatically defrost its outdoor unit even in very cold conditions, allowing for maximum efficiency in challenging conditions. Its energy-saving feature and quiet operation receive high praise from users. The device delivers an impressive performance in spacious areas. 2. Baymax Elegant Plus 09A Plus 9000 BTU A++ Class A32 Inverter Split Air Conditioner. A high-efficiency inverter air conditioner model that provides energy savings. With a capacity of 9000 BTU, it maintains ideal temperatures in medium-sized rooms. Its A++ energy class offers cost advantages to users by consuming less energy. This air conditioner model, operating with a 32 gas, supports a sustainable environmental policy by using a refrigerant gas that is less harmful to the environment. With its split-type structure, it consists of an indoor and an outdoor unit, ensuring silent operation. Additionally, the air filter improves indoor air quality and creates a clean airflow. The Baymax Elegant Plus 09A Plus 9000 BTU A++ Class A32 Inverter Split Air Conditioner prioritizes user comfort and savings with its user-friendly features and energy efficiency. 1. LG Artcool S3 M12 Jasa A++ 12,000 BTU Inverter Air Conditioner. For those who dislike white-colored air conditioners, the LG Artcool S3 M12 Jasa A++ 12,000 BTU Inverter Air Conditioner is a must-see. It ranks among the best inverter air conditioner options for homes and offices. This user-friendly model can be quickly installed and ready for use within minutes. With its smooth exterior, it adds aesthetic value to its surroundings. The optimized structure provides rapid cooling, quickly refreshing the environment. With its automatic cleaning feature, it offers hygienic usage, preventing the formation of harmful particles and providing a pleasant air experience.